Hi.
What's up, everybody? I bet you can guess what I'm going to say. Headed back to Bachelor. Been swamped with finals and life, and I haven't been editing a lot, but I'm stacking all this footage. I'm forgetting to do a lot of the intros to these videos, so maybe I'll just compile them all into some kind of winter clip fucking montage bullshit. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. You'll see the updates, I suppose. Adios. What's up, mates? We're about to spend 24 hours at Mt.Bachelor. Or more. We'll see how that goes. See you out there. Bailey was just saying how she wanted the first chair.
We got it.
We got first chair, rainbow chair. Look at this. Look at this bad boy.
Look at this. Look at this.
We're gonna throw it down today. Nice. Woo. Fuck me, dude. That butter was gnar. Dude. I probably almost swallowed somebody.
I know.
I felt like a monster trying to eat it. I felt bad there were so many people. I didn't mean to like turbo speed through the whole fucking crowd.
Let's see this butter.
You first and then I'll try and get in front of you.
Alright. Found a cave.
You tell me you got a lighter.
I don't.
You got a lighter?
Yeah.
Thank you. Saved me.
You're good, Bailey. Just slide down. It opens up.
I think they're okay with us poking.
Yeah, you did. Easy to go that way or on your back?
Probably on my stomach. I don't know though. Maybe back. I'll let you figure it out.
Bailey, is that easy?
Oh, she's coming back. Oh yeah, thanks for sharing the cave. The cave.
This cave dive?
Yeah. Of course, gotta get the cave dive.
I feel like it's gonna hurt a lot.
It's slick.
It's thick and hard. Bumpy.
I'm too big. Big boy.
Don't move. Monsters!
He needs some milk.
Oh my god. We should have went way faster on
We
those
both
jumps.
knuckled a fatty. No, we were busy knuckling.
Knuckling it so hard. Crumpled.
I haven't fucking knuckled one so bad in a long time, dude. I got ass rash for sure. My whole shirt got lifted up.
About to drop down backside. What's up, E?
We can go anywhere. That way is a hike though. I think you can hike up to a cabin on top of that.
Looks like a volcano. Backcountry here. Found some untouched powder. Let's get it. Woo! Up the hill.
Sick ass.
Fuck, my bad, man. Look at all the senders. Hit this one, Bailey. Let's see it. Nice. I hit my head on the rail.
You could just take it easy.
Oh, that hurt really bad. Okay. I'm gonna try to hit this one, I think. All right. Run that clip back. How'd that feel?
Terrible. I slammed on my spine, hit the back of my head. I'm surprised I didn't KO myself. Got the wind knocked out of me
So
even.
you got the helmet.
Yeah, protected. I would have had a concussion, bud. I don't care if I look stupid.
Shout out Joseph.
Yeah. Wear a helmet, Joseph. Wear a helmet.
358. The myth, the legend, the man himself. About to smack down 6 corn dogs to the face. What's up, everybody? February the 20th. Here we are on a Sunday, waking up at Bachelor, ready to shred. Bailey just went to the bathroom, and now I'm in charge of fucking putting the blankets away. What the fuck? Alright. We'll see you back out there. Well, it was pretty much clear last night. Look at this. We got a good couple inches, eh?
Yeah.
What's up, bud? Good to see you. What's up, man? Ready for his day ascendance? Hell yeah.
Jeremy, Ryan, Jeremy.
Joshua over here, what up?
Right here, we got all the cunts right here. Mates.
All the mates.
Let's go. Good day coming or what? Yeah, yeah. Let's get this hype up. Oh! Oh, pup.
I think Peace Park's right on the other side of us.
Burritos, some Mountain Dew. Let's go. Mid-mountain posted.
The park over here is so sick.
Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! Yo! Oh! Yo! Yeah! I couldn't tell if you landed. You sent it! Yeah! Oh. 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 Oh, there's Ryan, almost, almost. Oh no! Tostino'd.
Yeah.
Woo! Yo! Yo! Yes! Yes!
Nice clip.
Big biscuit right here.
My boys! Yeah, Joseph! Yeah, buddy! His tail, bro.
Oh my god.
You see that line right there? Oh my fucking god, bro. And does it show on the other side?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Second, or this will be the second one I send back. I had the fucking mothership and put like a 3-inch crack across the nose right here.
So crazy, man.
Like third fucking time riding.
Born of the Gnar.
You reckon that's from the same dog?
No way. When you tomahawked off the rail.
That's exactly it.
Yeah.
Good, baby.
Good footy.